Hey guys, welcome to the Limbex family. Welcome to Limbex channel. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to break a coconut, a fresh coconut. I have never broken a coconut before. I know it may seem weird because I'm African, but strangely, growing up in Africa, there was always someone else that did the breaking of the coconuts. So I just managed never to have broken a coconut. We're going to learn together how to break a coconut. I think I probably should kind of like whack here first, right? But I haven't got anything to whack here with, and I don't want to use the knife, because if I do, my husband will be very pissed. Trying to see if there's something I can use to stab it. Maybe this. Oh, it's working. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use the hammer. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm just gonna whack it just to loosen it, I think. I probably should have asked my mom how to. Oh, okay. It's working. This is exciting. It's so loud. It's opened. This is the first time I'm breaking a coconut, guys. I'm so excited. So you just keep tapping all around it and it's broken. So I just need to rinse this because it's all got coconut skins in them. And my husband did say to me, when I told him to get me a coconut, he was like, if you spoil this coconut, I will never get you coconut again. So I was like, okay, I'll do it without his help. So that's how to break a coconut. So you just keep tapping with your hammer, loosen it, and then it just cracks open. Look, it's coming out, guys. Look. I'm so excited. That's the coconut liquid all out. Look guys, look. So I just need to keep tapping softly until it completely comes off from the case. Ta-da! We just need to take off this from the shell. So I'm gonna use a knife. I love coconut, guys. When I was growing up, my mom used to make coconut rice. I haven't actually made that before on my own, so hopefully one day I'll make coconut rice. Nigerian coconut rice, they call it. So I'm just using a knife, but you have to be very careful, guys. Oh, let me have a bite. Let me see. Just one bite. This reminds me of growing up, guys. We used to have coconuts with cassava. We call it gari. I swear we used to have gari with coconut. Gentle pushes and it comes off from the shell. Maybe here for a long time. Oops. It's going everywhere. It's coming out. It's coming out. That's my coconut out. I'm going to use this for something. What can you use this for, guys? Leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you use your coconut shells for? Because I just don't like wasting things. Can you imagine like putting your keys or your earrings and stuff like that here when you've washed it? So I think I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm just gonna sieve it and drink it. So this is like pure 100% coconut water. Oh my days. This is the sweetest coconut water, no sugar, nothing in it. That's it, all done. If you're finding value to this video, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It does really make a huge difference to the channel.